Imagine standing on the moon, where the sky is black and the ground is dust. But beneath your feet, hidden from the void, lies a secret world untouched by time. These aren't just cracks in the surface. They're ancient tunnels, formed by rivers of lava that once flowed like liquid fire across the moon's face. They are the moon's hidden caves, carved by lava that cooled into solid rock, preserving the echoes of a fiery past. And now, they're being studied as potential sites for future human colonies, places where we could live, work, and explore, far from the surface hostile embrace. These are not just geological curiosities. They are the moon's underground promise, a place where the future of humanity might take root. Lunar lava tubes are vast underground tunnels carved by ancient volcanic activity on the moon. They form when lava flows through the surface, eventually solidifying and leaving behind hollow spaces beneath the regolith. These tunnels can be hundreds of meters wide and extend for kilometers, creating a network of sheltered voids beneath the lunar surface. They are natural, protective environments that have withstood the harsh conditions of space for millions of years. Some tubes are so large that they could fit entire city blocks inside, offering potential habitats for future human exploration and even long-term colonization. These subterranean sanctuaries are not only shelters, but also natural archives of the moon's volcanic history, preserving ancient lava flows and offering insights into the moon's geological past. In the vacuum of space, these tubes are the closest thing to Earth's underground caves, but on a scale that defies imagination, untouched and waiting to be explored. These lava tubes are not just ancient relics, they're potential shelters for future human colonies. Imagine walking through a dark, silent tunnel, knowing you're protected from radiation and micrometeorites, all while standing on the moon. The moon's surface is a harsh, unforgiving place, but beneath it lies a hidden world. These tubes offer a stable, temperature-controlled environment that could sustain life for decades, even centuries. These tunnels could also serve as natural archives, preserving ancient lunar material untouched by the harsh surface environment. They hold secrets about the moon's formation and evolution. In a way, these tubes are the moon's hidden heart, quiet, resilient, and waiting to be discovered. They remind us that even in the most barren landscapes, life and shelter can exist in the most unexpected places. Thousands of years ago, ancient Earth's volcanoes roared to life, spewing rivers of molten rock across the surface, forging a world of fire and fury. These fiery rivers cooled into vast tunnels, hollowed by gravity's pull, hidden beneath the moon's barren crust. As the moon cooled, its surface collapsed in on itself, creating vast underground voids. These lava tubes became the first shelters for the moon's hidden history, untouched by time and solar wind. For millennia, these tunnels remained secret, protected from the moon's harsh surface, until human eyes finally peered into their shadowed depths, uncovering a hidden world of lunar silence and mystery. Now, as we stand on the edge of a new era of lunar exploration, these tunnels are no longer just relics of the past. They are blueprints for the future, offering refuge and shelter for our first permanent lunar bases. From ancient volcanic fury to modern-day frontier, these tunnels have carried the moon's secrets through time, waiting for us to step into their depths and listen to the echoes of a celestial past. Imagine you're on the moon, and under your feet is a giant cave, like a tunnel made by lava long ago. It's big enough to fit a whole city inside. This isn't just a cave. It's like a secret room built by the moon itself, protecting things from the harsh space weather. Scientists think these tunnels could be safe places for future moon bases. Quiet, protected, and even warm, because the moon is still alive deep inside. So the moon isn't just a rock in space. It's a giant, sleeping creature with secret rooms waiting to be discovered. The moon's surface is a vast, ancient expanse of cracked basalt, shaped by billions of years of volcanic activity. Long ago, molten rock surged through the crust, carving out tunnels that would one day become hidden sanctuaries beneath the regolith. As the lava cooled, it solidified into a thick, protective shell over the tunnels, sealing them away from the harsh vacuum and radiation of space. These tunnels, once open channels of molten rock, now lie in eerie silence. The structure of these tunnels is surprisingly stable, formed by the cooling of lava in a confined space. The walls and ceiling are reinforced by the weight of the solidified crust above, creating a natural, self-supporting architecture. These tunnels are not just empty voids. They are a network of passageways, some extending for kilometers, creating a labyrinth of subterranean space. Each one is a potential shelter for future human exploration. The very air inside these tunnels tells a story of the moon's violent past. It's a place where the moon's history is preserved in rock, and where humanity may one day find refuge beneath the stars. Once the lava has drained, the tube's walls begin to cool and solidify, forming a shell of basalt. This process is slow, taking hundreds to thousands of years, but it's essential for creating a stable tunnel. As the lava retreats deeper underground, the tube's ceiling is left exposed to the vacuum of space, causing it to collapse inward, sealing the tunnel and preserving its interior. The result is a hollow, enclosed space that remains at a stable temperature, protected from the harsh lunar environment. No radiation, no extreme temperatures, no atmosphere. These tubes are like natural vacuum-sealed chambers, offering a safe and stable environment for future human exploration and habitation. Inside, the silence is profound, and the darkness is absolute, except for the faint glow of Earthlight reflected from the surface above. The twist comes when the lava drains, leaving behind a hollow tunnel, its walls still glowing faintly with the memory of molten fire. This hollow space is not just empty. It's a perfectly insulated, air-sealed chamber, shielded from a harsh lunar surface above. This is how the moon preserves its secrets, by creating natural vaults where time and radiation cannot reach. The lava tubes are more than geological curiosities. They are the moon's hidden architecture, designed by nature itself. In these tunnels, the moon offers a sanctuary, a place where human exploration could one day find refuge from the void above. Beneath the moon's surface, ancient lava flows once carved vast tunnels, now silent and cool, sheltering secrets from the harshness of space. These tunnels, formed billions of years ago, are the remnants of molten rivers that cooled and solidified, leaving hollow voids behind. The moon's lack of atmosphere and tectonic activity has preserved these tunnels in remarkable condition, untouched by erosion or weathering. Inside, temperatures remain near 20 degrees Celsius, stable and protected, making these tunnels potential refuges for future human exploration and research. As we look to the moon as a base for deep space exploration, these subterranean sanctuaries offer shelter, stability, and a gateway to the cosmos. Imagine the Earth as a giant, molten chocolate volcano. Now, picture a tunnel running through the center of it. A hollow, cool space where the heat never reaches. That's what the moon's lava tubes are like. These tunnels are not just empty space. They're like the moon's own underground subway system, carved by ancient volcanic eruptions that long ago cooled and solidified. If you were to walk through one of these tunnels, you'd be walking through a place that's been untouched by the harsh lunar surface for millions of years. A safe haven from radiation, micrometeorites, and the void of space. In a way, these tunnels are the moon's hidden cities, places that could one day house human life, far from the dangers of the surface. So, the next time you look at the moon, think of it not just as a barren rock, but as a world with secrets, and perhaps a future. Before you go, if you enjoyed this, please give it a like and subscribe so you don't miss the next one. And tell us in the comments what you'd like us to make next. We read every single one. Thank you so much for watching. Comment this emoji if you made it to the end.